Hello. So again, I'm here with new error. So I'm getting an error, invalid factory calendar or error in the factory calendar while I'm doing a purchase order. So let's see what is the error. So I'm getting an error here, invalid factory calendar or error in the calendar, and message number is 61063. So this problem is occurred by the some configuration setting, and we need to check various period for the factory calendar in customizing. But actually, this issue is coming because mostly factory calendar is not maintained at the plant level while creating a plant. So let's see if it's really maintained or not. So how to check that? There is a T code. Sorry, we check in SE16N, and there is a table, this T001W, where we see the detail about tables, and just run, provide your plant, and we are interested here in factory calendar, and field is FABKL. So just execute by providing your plant, and we can see if factory calendar is maintained or not. So here, third, here it is. So it is a blank, and that's why mostly we are getting this error. Then how to resolve this error? So uh, go to the configuration settings. I will go back, SIMG or SPRO, then enterprise structure, then go to the definition part for plant. So that will come under logistic general, then define plant. So this is the path. Okay, so SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition, logistic general, and define plant. Then go inside, then search for your plant. So my plant is IE10. Then select and go inside or double click. And at last you will see here factory calendar, and it's a blank as of now. So select whatever country this plant belong to. So in my case, this belong to IE region, that is Ireland. So I will search for IE. So it is, this is here. Just select it, press enter, and save it. Okay, so that's the way we can resolve this error. Okay, now we can go back in purchase order, and we can check whether this error is still there. I guess I need to rerun this T code, so let's rerun. ME21N. Here I'm doing a subcontracting PO, so this is my partner. Then this material, PO quantity, and my delivery date. Okay, so now I'm getting different error, but the error for factory calendar is no more coming. So this is the way we can resolve this error. Also, this error can be resolved with the T code. So T code is I guess OX10. Yeah, customizing the plant. Okay, press enter. So you will go again to the same path that we went through, the configuration SPRO. So here it is, and you can go and maintain a factory calendar. So that's how we resolve this error. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.